What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are doing some fall bass fishing. Before we get into the video, I do want to say this video is sponsored by Catchco, and today we're using two different style of baits. Today we are using the Googan Squad Blooper and the Googan Squad Hound. These are actually made by Catchco. If you guys didn't know, that it says right there, in production with Catchco right there. Today we're also going to be using jigs. These are hard hat jigs. This is actually a Catchco brand, and these are actually the only jigs that I use. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I love using jigs. And these jigs right here, there's football jigs, they got other type of stuff. I picked up 3 more on top of like the 5 I already have. These are my favorite jigs because last week on this pond, I actually caught my personal best. 7 pounds, 14 ounces right in the back corner somewhere, I'm not really sure where. So today I really wanted to try out these poppers. You know, that we got the blooper and we got the hound, and I also really want to do some jig fishing because that's what we've been getting our big fish on this year. I've already caught this fall a 5-pounder and the 7-pound 14-ounce bass on a jig this fall, and that 7-pounder was on the hard hat diesel jig. This video is sponsored by Catchco. If you guys want to check out any of these baits, these will be the first link down in the description below. If you're a guy like me and you love picking up tackle every single week and you spend a lot of money on baits, it's definitely worth it to sign up for Carl's Club. Like I said, link will be down in the description below. Sign up and click that link and check out some of these baits that we're gonna be using in today's video. Today we are gonna be joined by my friend Justin. You guys know Justin. He's been in like a lot of my videos. It's actually my last one, so if you guys want to check that out. It was salmon fishing. After this video, go check it out. But he's not a big bass fisherman, so I'm hoping to get him on a pig today. Because I told him, if you're gonna catch a big bass, it's gonna be right now in the fall on a jig. And yeah, let's do it. Like I said, if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to smack that thumbs up button. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. We do weekly uploads here on Fish Slingers, and we just have a good time. So if you like having a good time, hit the subscribe button. It costs $0 too, so it's free.
All right, so I got my hard head jig tied on, just tied it on. Love these colors, by the way. And I got a bandito bug, but this bandito bug is a little too big to be to put the whole thing on. So what I do is right above these little extremities here, bite this off, or use scissors like a normal person, because then you get that taste in your mouth, and it's not very good. It's very salty. What you're gonna want to do is slide it on, and that way it's a short, more compact trailer, and it goes better with the jig. I'm just gonna slide it on like that. We're gonna push it up the hook, and you gotta make sure you break these things as they are slightly attached to the bait so these can fly around. Now we got the hard hat jigs. This is actually the same jig. This is the lumberjack flipping jig, but I have one in the package. I had to get another one because this one's so good. I have one tied on right now. That's the finished product. Looks really, really good. We got this tied on. We got the hound tied on. We're gonna bang fish a little bit, like I said, and hopefully we can catch ourselves a donkey. Let's do it. Passing that jig down. I am. I mean, I've never caught a fish over here on a jig because there's so many weeds, but if I can hop above the weeds and swim slow, I mean, popper, if you cast it there multiple times, you know, you don't get anything, then nothing's gonna hit it. You know what I'm saying? If there are some deep weeds here, maybe I can just work it out of. I've never done it out here, but we'll see. But then we'll move pretty soon. I got one. Oh my gosh, first cast with the jig, bro.
Well, that might be it.
There might be a jig bite, bro. I don't know. Literally right when on the fall, I think he hit it. Stay down, stay down. Throwing that hard hat jig. You guys saw the setup I showed you guys earlier. Staying down, it might
be a good one.
I got it. Yeah. Well, maybe jig's out here then, man. I don't know.
Or you slow.
I think you just hit it on the drop. That's the first fish of the day. That's not a bad bass for here. But there's like weeds like 7 feet deep over here where I casted. And I was like, you know, we fished a spot with the popper. We didn't get anything on that, so I was like, I'll toss the jig in. And right in the fall, he just hammered it right away. I just felt the taps, and I almost was too late. But there's the first one of the day on that jig. We're gonna get a cool picture for the gram and get a little release on her.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're on?
Yeah.
Doubles? How's it feel? I was taking a picture, and Justin just got one on. All right, not a big one. So jigs might be the move, but we're still gonna throw the poppers as we move down to new spots, though. All right, me and Jay hooking up. We both got the hard hat jigs on. Right at the top of the mouth, too. That's what we want, dude. Good stuff.
Smack it in.
We'll toss them back.
Good. Oh, got one.
You got one?
Yeah.
Nice! On the popper. Hey. Ooh, it's a good one. I think that's a nice one. Dude, she choked that popper. Wow, her grab her real quick before she flops.
Justin hooking up on the blooper, and one more time. Let's just see. You think she wanted that, bro? You think she wanted that?
Golfed it.
It's a good bass. There's some weeds right here. It's about over there's only like 3 or 4 feet of water, and I was a little distracted. Me and Justin were talking about some other type of fish in here, and she absolutely exploded on that. We're gonna get her off and we're gonna put her back. But dude, good fish on the Googan Squad blooper. Confirmed it works. And man, she wanted that popper so bad. Back. Bam, nice and elegant. Boom! So first fish on the Googan bait Topwater. We're still gonna hit this corner for some more Topwater, and like I said, we're gonna keep moving, throwing jigs. We're gonna be throwing the blooper, and we're gonna try to catch a big one. Let's go.
You say or pier? Oh, okay. Yeah. There's bass, some big panfish, though I haven't seen many. There's one.
Popper blew up?
No, man, jig, bro. God, dude, I smacked him. I felt the dead weight. Oof. Stay down, come on. Hard head jig, baby. It's not that big. No, I got it. Oh, dude, I felt him just pick it up. I was swimming it slow. Actually, not a bad bass. That's actually a decent bass, bro. That's okay. There she is. Boom! Right in the corner of the mouth. Hard hat jigs. Put it here, bruh. Bam. She is on the hard hat jig. That's probably my best fish of the day. Not big, but she actually, I just felt the dead weight when I was swimming it slow, man, and I jacked her. Put her back. Thanks for playing, Hoss. Let's catch some more, baby. Jig bite is on, dude. You're so right.
Monster weights.
Right? Just right there. Should be. Well, it kind of depends. There's one.
Big.
Decent one. Right there. Get in. Boat flip fail. That was right in front of us, dude. That was awesome. He was actually swimming toward me. There's my fish. Actually, maybe not my biggest, but I don't know. Not that big, but also not that small, so I'll take that any day. We just got into prime time. We got some jigs on, some hard hat jigs, and this is where we're gonna catch it, man. If we're gonna catch a big one, it's gonna be right here. Caught my PB last week, right in that corner, and then caught a 5-pounder 2 weeks ago, or 2 or 3 weeks ago, literally in front of this tree or in front of this tree. So I'm just gonna flip my jig back in there, ease it in the water slow. Yeah, I just bounced it because there's no weeds here anymore, and then let that line out, let it hit the bottom, and he just picked it up right away. Let's catch some more fish.
No, I seriously did.
Yeah, well, can you?
Oh, was he just?
He still has it set him. You got one? Nice. I didn't believe you. Small one, decent one, big one. All right. Nope, no, not the size we're looking for anymore, but hey, still good fish. On the same jig I'm using, Justin broke off on one of his jigs, so he's got the same one I'm using on, and it's catching fish, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, good fish. Catching the biggest fish in this lake. Oh, I thought you just lost the entire anchor. I thought the whole thing just went in. I was like, are you kidding me? Oh, I got bit, dude. Well, I still have him. But I don't think so, unless he's swimming toward me and he's huge. I don't know. Stay down, stay down. First cast in that corner. I don't think he's the one, you know what I'm saying? It's a good fish though, huh?
It's a fish.
Right in the corner, man. Get in there. Double, let's double. Start casting. Boom! Not the big we're looking for, man. Every time we bid it, we caught at least the big one. Come on. Come on, let's get this live action hook set. Oh, did you get bit?
I think I did.
Oh, man. It is not a big one at all. Just gonna toss her back. No need to get a picture with this one because there's more fish to be caught right here. Dude, you might stick one there too. You got one? I was gonna say maybe I tie a new bait on, but if you just caught one on the jig, maybe I won't. How's she feeling? Normal.
Hit it twice and I finally got it.
Nice, okay. Ooh, I'll try to double here, Jay. You can get a cool double pick. Go for it, bro. But what if I catch one right here, bro? You're gonna regret that a lot.
Alright guys, that is going to do it for today. Thank you for tuning in today's video. Thanks for Justin for coming out and getting some bass. Now we didn't get that big one like we wanted. We were looking for like a 4 or a 5 because the last couple times I've been here I've caught some big fish. But if you guys obviously can tell throughout the video that the best lure, my favorite lure in the fall time is a jig. I caught my personal best on it last year at 6 pounds 9 ounces. My personal best this year, which is 2 videos ago, so check it out, and a 5-pounder. So it's obvious the big bass munched the jigs. It was the only thing that was working today, but the sun came out pretty much right away and kind of shut down that topwater bite. But Justin managed to catch a go on that Googan spot blooper, so it's cool to throw this around. They look good. I know they're gonna work. Today wasn't the best day for it. Like I said, that link's down below if you guys want to pick up any of the stuff we used today. We used the hard hat jigs by Catch Co. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new here, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button down below. Me and Justin will see you guys in the next one because we'll probably be fishing again pretty soon. But thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys later.